Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Fox Sports app. All you have to do, you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you go down to looking for apps until you found it. Just click on it. You come to this list here. Then here you're looking for Fox Sports or just click on search. Then here add Fox Sports. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Fox Sports. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.